Hi guys, welcome to New Toy Surprise. Our present today has Barbie wrapping paper. I wonder if there's a Barbie inside. Let's open it. Oh look, it's not Barbie. It's Play-Doh Magical Carriage, and there's Cinderella. How fun! Let's open it up and check it out. I think we need to find Cinderella so she can ride in the carriage. Here she is. She can go inside of her carriage. Our Play-Doh Cinderella Magic Carriage is going to be so much fun. She has so many molds. We can make her mouse friends, her bird friends. On the back, there's more molds. Her fairy godmother, the coachman, a pumpkin, and another mouse friend. And the wheels even have designs. Here's her magic slipper. We'll move the wheel to make that. And she has a carpet design on this wheel. And then when we open the carriage up, there's Cinderella inside. And this is how we're going to help her fairy godmother make her beautiful ball gown with this mold. And then we also can put our Play-Doh right here and press out some pumpkin vines onto her carriage. We also have 3 cans of sparkly Play-Doh to play with. A light blue can, a dark blue, and a pink one. Let's have some fun with Cinderella. I think the fairy godmother should be light blue. Now she's ready to help Cinderella Get ready for the ball. Let's put our friends down. Now the fairy godmother, she says, Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, and makes a beautiful ball gown for Cinderella. Press her in, and then close the mold. Open it up. And clean off all the extra. She looks beautiful. She's ready to go to the ball. Let's make Cinderella's glass slipper. Very nice slipper. And let's make her carpet. Nice pink one. Here's our glass slipper. Let's make her pumpkin vine. We put the Play-Doh inside and squish it from on top. Beautiful. Now Cinderella is ready for the ball. Oh, everything looks so lovely, but where's Prince Charming? Here I am. But you don't look like Prince Charming. Well, I was hoping that your fairy godmother would help me get ready for the ball. Don't forget to watch our next great toy video when we help Prince Charming get ready for the ball. Remember to subscribe to New Toy Surprise so that we can open up another great toy together.